Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glory. Today I'll be giving you a tour of my new rental property. I recently started hosting on Airbnb, and I am so excited and to finally start my, I guess, entrepreneur business life. So I actually just got my first booking, yay, for a about 30-day stay. So I'm going to be taking you through and showing you the property and how I furnished it and everything. And this is in Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. If you are ever in the area and you need housing, don't hesitate to reach out to me. So let's go ahead and let me show you. So this is the outside, the entrance. When you first get in, you go through this set of stairs, and then it's actually a second floor unit. You have another set of stairs going up. Okay, I had to zoom out a little bit to capture more of the space. So here you go. Here's a little small porch. Actually not small, it's quite big with large windows, which I love. And then this is, coming into nice and well ventilated. Here you go. You have a nice beautiful couch and this wall decoration, which I love. Very positive and inspirational. Okay, so we have the couch, we have the dining section over there, we have a large TV and large windows with a lot of daylight coming in. Again, this is another view of the living room. Okay, we have storage space here, and then next we have the bathroom right over here, nice and clean, and a shower, storage spaces, some toiletries, hand soap, and over here some extra toilet paper, towels, gloves for cleaning. All right, that's the bathroom. And then over here we have the bedroom, nice and large windows, well ventilated, which I love. A lot of storage space. And there you have the bed. We have the side lamps on the side tables. More storage. The wall AC unit. We have this beautiful light. This is the backyard, which is quite large. And the shades. A lot of backyard space. Look at that. Very nice for fresh air and spending time outside. Okay. All right, very well. Now, down to the kitchen. The kitchen is actually very nice and spacious. We have our laundry unit in the kitchen, the washer and the dryer. Very large washer. And we have the dryer here. Okay. There you go. We have our stove, electric stove, some spices. There you have all of the nice bowl there on the tissue paper, which the cleaner nicely did for us. We have a dishwasher over here, nice and huge, microwave, coffee maker. This coffee maker is gold. And then here you have your blender and your toaster. Nice, huge fridge. I'll show you the inside. There you go. Nice and clean. And then we have the freezer up here. Nice, very nice. We have, I'm gonna show you some of the things that I bought for the house. We have some pots and pans here. More pots and pans down here. Let's see what else we got. Here we have some more plates and cups and bowls. What do we have here? Sugar. Strainer and cutting board. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. We have glasses in this large glass storage place. We have mugs and drinking glasses. And then below the sink right here, we have just all the cleaning supplies, dish soap, laundry soap, extra trash bags. I have this very nice dish soap dispenser, which I love. Look at that. It's not coming out right now, I guess. Okay, there you go. Very neat. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the trash can. This trash can I really love. It combines both the regular trash and recycle. So regular trash goes here and the recycle would go here in the back. This is very nice because it can fit in a small space. So there you have it. So there you have it. That is my little rental property that I just got started doing, and I'm so excited. And let me know if you have any comments, any tips, any advice on things that I should change to, you know, make it look nicer or better. If you're a traveling guest and you often book Airbnbs, let me know in the comment section what you think of my place and any things you think I should change about it. Okay, thanks. Bye.